The Pagani Zonda is one of the most iconic hypercars ever produced, combining extreme performance, Italian craftsmanship, and unique design. The 2006 model represents a matured evolution of the Zonda series, offering a perfect blend of aesthetics, raw power, and technological sophistication. It is a supercar that is celebrated not only for its engine performance, but also for its artistic approach to automotive design. Exterior design. The 2006 Pagani Zonda has a body crafted almost entirely from carbon fiber, which provides unmatched strength-to-weight ratio. The design is aerodynamic yet aggressive, featuring sharp lines, deep curves, and functional air intakes. The front fascia includes a low-slung nose with integrated headlights, a sculpted bumper, and subtle vents to channel airflow efficiently. The rear features a wide diffuser, quad exhaust tips, and a large rear wing in certain variants to optimize downforce and stability at high speeds. The bodywork on the Zonda is entirely hand-finished, showcasing Pagani's commitment to craftsmanship. Every panel is meticulously molded and aligned, reflecting precision engineering. The car sits on ultra-lightweight forged wheels with low-profile tires, emphasizing its track-ready nature. In terms of colors, Pagani often offers highly customizable options, but standard finishes include deep metallic shades, reds, blacks, and even bicolor schemes. Interior design. The interior of the Pagani Zonda is as extraordinary as its exterior. It features a driver-centric cockpit, emphasizing ergonomics and accessibility. The dashboard is a combination of carbon fiber, leather, and aluminum, giving a futuristic yet luxurious feel. Gauges and meters are carefully laid out, including the iconic central tachometer, digital LCD displays, and auxiliary gauges for oil, temperature, and fuel. Seating in the Zonda is highly supportive and crafted from premium leather and Alcantara, often with contrasting stitching. Seats are fixed in some models, emphasizing performance focus, while adjustable variants allow customization. The steering wheel is minimalist but functional, often featuring integrated controls for essential functions. The flooring includes soundproofing, insulation, and optional carpet or leather finishes, depending on buyer preference. Every detail, from door handles to seat belts, reflects bespoke craftsmanship and attention to detail. Engine and performance. The 2006 Pagani Zonda is powered by a Mercedes-Benz AMG V12 engine, typically a naturally aspirated unit with displacement varying around 7.3 liters. This engine delivers extraordinary power output, often exceeding 500 to 550 horsepower, depending on the specific variant. The engine is mid-mounted, contributing to the car's exceptional weight distribution and handling dynamics. The Zonda features rear-wheel drive and a 6-speed manual gearbox, offering pure driving engagement. Acceleration is blistering, with 0 to 60 miles per hour times achievable in just around 3.5 seconds, and top speeds exceeding 210 miles per hour. The car's suspension is a double wishbone setup with pushrod actuators, providing precision on the track while maintaining ride comfort for road use. Brakes are high-performance carbon ceramic discs, ensuring reliable stopping power under extreme conditions. Engineering and chassis. The Zonda's chassis is a carbon titanium monocoque designed for rigidity and lightness. This allows for exceptional handling, with minimal flex under high-speed cornering. Every panel, mount, and component is engineered for precision. Even the engine mounts and underbody structures are optimized for weight reduction and balance. The car's wiring and electronic systems are integrated neatly, reflecting attention to detail and reliability. The aerodynamics are equally sophisticated. Every vent, scoop, and diffuser is functional, directing airflow to engine cooling, brake cooling, and downforce generation. Pagani ensures that the car is stable at high speeds, yet responsive and engaging for the driver. Technology and features. While performance is the core of the Zonda, technology is integrated subtly. The dashboard LCD screen provides essential data and diagnostics. Analog meters offer real-time feedback for oil, temperature, and fuel, while the engine management system ensures optimum performance. Despite being a hypercar, Pagani balances technology with mechanical purity, keeping the driving experience raw and connected. The car may also include custom sound systems, climate control, and optional telematics, but these are usually secondary to the car's performance-first focus. Visual and aesthetic appeal. One of the standout features of the Zonda is its artistic design philosophy. Every line, curve, and detail is crafted not just for function, but for visual impact. The engine bay itself is a display of beauty, with polished aluminum and carbon fiber components visible through rear glass panels in some variants. The attention to detail extends to rivets, bolts, and fasteners, all designed to match the car's overall aesthetic. Even when disassembled or undergoing restoration, the Zonda maintains its identity. The body panels, wheels, interior trims, and engine layout are instantly recognizable, reflecting the car's exclusivity and performance heritage. Driving experience. Driving a Pagani Zonda is an immersive experience. The car is responsive, precise, and thrilling, with every input from the steering wheel, throttle, and brakes translating immediately into action. Engine sounds are raw and emotional, contributing to the sensory experience. The low seating position, wide track, and rigid chassis provide exceptional feedback, making the driver feel connected to every road surface. The manual gearbox further enhances engagement, requiring skillful gear shifts, while the aerodynamic stability allows confidence even at very high speeds. Every corner, straight line, and braking zone is experienced with pure driving pleasure. Restoration perspective. Restoring a 2006 Pagani Zonda is a meticulous process. Every component, from the carbon fiber body panels to the AMG V12 engine, requires careful handling. Wiring, interior trims, dashboard components, and engine mounts must be reassembled with precision to maintain performance, aesthetics, and reliability. Even minor imperfections can affect both aesthetic value and functional integrity. The restoration workflow involves disassembly, cleaning, repair, repainting, reassembly, and final testing, ensuring the car returns to as new condition. The conclusion. The 2006 Pagani Zonda is more than just a car. It is a masterpiece of engineering, design, and craftsmanship. Its carbon fiber construction, AMG V12 engine, driver-focused interior, and aerodynamically optimized body make it a supercar icon. Every component is meticulously designed, every line purposeful, and every drive an unforgettable experience. Restoring and understanding a Zonda offers not just a glimpse into automotive engineering, but also into the art of hypercar creation. Whether viewed from the exterior, interior, or engine bay, the Zonda represents precision, beauty, and raw performance. It's a car that excites the senses, commands respect, and inspires anyone who appreciates high-end automotive engineering. The Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost, introduced in 1907, is widely regarded as one of the most iconic and significant automobiles in history. Its name, Silver Ghost, stems from the car's silver-painted chassis and engine, which made it an instant visual signature for its time. More than just a luxury car, the Silver Ghost was a benchmark in engineering excellence, craftsmanship, and reliability that shaped the reputation of Rolls-Royce for decades to come. At its core, the Silver Ghost was designed to combine supreme comfort with absolute precision. The chassis was built with a long wheelbase, giving the car a commanding road presence while ensuring a smooth ride over the rough roads of the early 20th century. The body, handcrafted from steel and coach-built by expert craftsmen, reflected the meticulous attention to detail that Rolls-Royce was renowned for. Every panel, curve, and line was carefully designed to balance elegance with function. Under the hood, the Silver Ghost featured a robust six-cylinder engine, displacing 7,428 cubic centimeters in its original configuration. Producing around 48 horsepower, the engine was remarkably quiet and smooth, which earned the model the nickname "Best Car in the World" after it successfully completed a 14,371-mile reliability trial from London to Edinburgh without a single mechanical fault. This combination of performance, durability, and refinement solidified Rolls-Royce's position as a leading luxury automobile manufacturer. The Silver Ghost was not merely a car, it was a statement of prestige and innovation. Owners could customize nearly every aspect of the vehicle, from the choice of bodywork to interior materials. The seating could be upholstered in the finest leather, and the wood trim was polished to perfection, reflecting the craftsmanship of early automotive artisans. The simplicity of the controls, combined with the smooth mechanical operation, gave drivers of the era an unprecedented sense of confidence and control. However, over time, even the most legendary automobiles succumbed to the wear and tear of decades. The Silver Ghost we are restoring today was found in a severely deteriorated condition. Rust had overtaken the steel body panels, bolts and engine components were corroded, and the interior had long been stripped away. The challenge before us was monumental: to bring this historic machine back to life while preserving its original integrity. The restoration process began with a meticulous assessment of the car. Every body panel, frame member, and mechanical component was carefully examined. Photographs, measurements, and notes were taken to ensure that every element could be returned to its former glory with historical accuracy. The body, completely stripped of any remaining parts, was carefully repaired panel by panel. Corroded sections were cut out, and new metal patches were fabricated and welded in place. Each weld was smoothed and shaped using hammers, dollies, and precision tools to restore the original contours. Special attention was paid to panel alignment and symmetry, maintaining the authentic proportions of the 1907 design. Once the structural restoration was complete, the car's body received a full silver paint finish, replicating the original factory color. Multiple coats of metallic silver were applied, with each layer meticulously sanded and polished to achieve a flawless, reflective surface. The shimmering silver finish not only restored the car's visual identity, but also reinforced the historical significance of the Silver Ghost name. The engine, removed from the car for a comprehensive rebuild, was treated with the same level of care. Each component, from pistons and connecting rods to the crankshaft and cylinder heads, was cleaned, repaired, and reassembled by hand. Rust, old oil, and grime were carefully removed, revealing the original mechanical beauty. Once reassembled, the engine was tested for proper function, torque specifications were checked, and every connection was secured. The result is a fully operational engine, ready to deliver the smooth, quiet, and reliable performance that Rolls-Royce engines are celebrated for. With the engine restored, it was carefully installed into the newly painted silver body. Bolts, mounts, and ancillary components were meticulously fitted, reflecting the precision engineering of the original construction. The drivetrain and wheels were reattached, and the car was brought to full operational readiness. Though the interior remains minimal in this restoration, it highlights the focus on body integrity and mechanical perfection, the foundation upon which the Rolls-Royce legacy stands. Now, standing in the workshop, the Silver Ghost is a testament to both historical engineering and modern restoration skill. The metallic silver body gleams under the workshop lights. Perfectly aligned panels reflect the meticulous craftsmanship, and the engine sits ready to roar to life. It is more than a restored automobile. It is a rolling piece of history, a bridge between the early days of automotive innovation and contemporary admiration for vintage engineering. The first drive of the restored Silver Ghost promises a glimpse into the past. Every curve of the chassis, every hum of the engine, and every mechanical detail has been faithfully returned to its original specification. Driving this car is not merely about transportation. It is about experiencing a bygone era, appreciating the dedication and skill of early 20th century engineers, and understanding why Rolls-Royce became synonymous with excellence. In conclusion, the Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost is not only a car, but a cultural icon. Its restoration requires patience, precision, and reverence for history. From the stripped-down body panels to the fully rebuilt engine, every step of the process celebrates craftsmanship, attention to detail, and the enduring appeal of one of the most important automobiles ever built. Today, as the silver metallic body gleams and the engine hums softly, the Silver Ghost stands ready for its next journey, carrying forward a legacy of elegance, innovation, and automotive perfection.